Marami. Siyempre, number one, the court will consider the safety and security of the former president. That is number one. Second, is the place, is it suitable to the former president as like former Estrada, where former Estrada were also confined or detained. So we don't go outside of what the treatment was given to former Estrada. That is our guiding, that is our guide in coming up with the solution of their motion.
So are we also looking at are we also going to check on the facilities, the furnitures, the appliances that must be there, befitting a president? Parang ganun.
We will check the facilities, what is necessary. Not luxurious enough, but only what is necessary for the needs of the detention.
And what is necessary in the definition of the court?
Definition is there should be a comfort room. There should be a bed. And air condition, that is because she is the former president, and it is up to the in charge of the detention center to provide. The court will not question. We will look only, but we will not question whatever facilities are installed in that center.
But will she be allowed to bring her own things, like appliances, electric?
The court will not prohibit that. The court will allow.
Walang
On
limitation, sir?
the court will not limit or prohibit anything be brought inside. Maliban lang sa mga prohibited. Alam naman yun. Bawal magdala ng, siyempre, mga arms, lahat. Bawal yan. So, babawalan niya ng police. So, the law enforcer in charge of the facility will be the one to implement or to implement the rules.
So yung mga appliances like television, entertainment?
Okay lang yun. It will not